Hello, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. This is another video in my short series, so far anyway, on AI writers and which one has the best one-click blog post writer. So I'm going to use the ContentBot platform here as the main one because so far in my test that has been by far the best one. And then the challenger for today's video is called AutoRytr. You can see that the inputs are very similar, so it'll be interesting to see if this one actually is able to come up with something as good as what we have got out of ContentBot. I will leave affiliate links for both of these platforms in the video description. I really appreciate it when anyone uses that. It really helps me to carry on making these videos. Thank you for your support. Now, without further ado, let's go to continue. And let's go to generate. Oops, it asked me for 3 keywords. Okay, so YouTuber. Whoops. So YouTuber and social media influencer, because that's what I put on the other one. There we go. Generate. ContentBot is doing its magic. Yep, we know it will take a minute. We are very experienced with this now. Oh, is it faster now? Oh, this time was a lot faster. That's interesting. Okay, so maybe this is like a server thing. Maybe sometimes a server is faster than at other times, because in the first 2 videos that I've used this on, it was not that fast. AutoRytr is still working away. Okay, so let's start with the content bot. Actually, I should wait a little bit to see how long it takes, but I think it's quite obvious that this one is a little bit slower. Maybe the content will be way better. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, it's still going. Okay, so I think it's fairly obvious that ContentBot is a lot faster because this one is still working on it. Okay, let's look at the content. YouTube is the largest video streaming platform in the world and is a great way to make money and build a brand. But what does it take to be a successful... Oh, looks like I can't read today. But what does it take to be successful on YouTube in 2022? In this blog post, we'll take a look at the habits of the most successful YouTubers and how you can apply them to reach success. That's a good intro. I like that. Defining success for YouTube channels. Successful YouTube channels will have a combination of frequent content uploads, engaging videos, and active marketing strategies to become a successful social media influencer. Content should be uploaded consistently and even increased in frequency over time in order to gain more subscribers. Videos should be eye-catching and engaging in order to capture viewers' attention. Blah blah blah. Active marketing strategies. Building an engaged audience is also essential for success. Yeah, that's pretty good. Additionally, successful YouTube channels will focus on creating content that resonates. Yeah, that's good as well. Networking and finding a team. Networking with other influencers and content creators can help expand your reach and gain more exposure. Building relationships with them can also open up opportunities for collaborations. Having a team of people with different skill sets can be beneficial in creating high quality content that's engaging and effective. Having different perspectives of people with expertise in areas such as video editing, graphic design. Yeah, that's pretty good. Planning and scheduling for consistent content. Planning and scheduling content ahead of time is essential to ensure consistent. This helps to create a following behind reg updates. Yeah. When planning, it's important to identify key topics that align with influencers' brand and target audience. This can help in creating content strategies that will increase the influencer's visibility, attract followers. Yeah, that's all pretty good actually. Scheduling posts in advance also helps manage time. Yep. Crafting quality content that resonates with viewers. Social media influencers, yeah. They must also ensure the content is relevant. Yeah, that's pretty good. Additionally, social media influencers should use capturing visuals. Yeah. Being open to collaboration across platform. Yeah. I think that's a little bit repetitive though, as it just said up here something about collaborations with networking. I suppose this is not talking about doing content with those actually, so that was my fault. This is only really talking about networking, basically talking with other people to build relationships. So it's not, although it says can also open up opportunities for collaborations, partnerships. Yeah, it's not exactly the same, but it might be seen as a little bit, a little bit of repetition. But it's not too bad, but a little bit of repetition, I believe, there. Yeah. Growing your audience. I mean, to advertise and sponsor, yeah, that's fair enough. In conclusion, if you want to become a successful YouTuber in 2022, you need to invest in quality content, engage your audience through effective strategies. You must also be persistent and consistent in your content creation and have a good understanding of the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, using the right tools for tasks like analytics and video, yeah. So I think this is really good. It generated 1,999. It's not perfect, but it's got a really good intro, a really good conclusion. The way that the post is set up or structured seems pretty good to me. Not perfect, but pretty good. You would just have to make some minor edits, which is good, and it's made you a blog post of almost 2,000 words. That is very impressive. This is why this is the go-to platform for these videos, right? Okay, so this is obviously ContentBot. Let's look at AutoRytr. Again, I don't like that they've generated it over here. So let's just see if we can quickly copy that. Oh, so we've got variations. Okay, so paste it. So it said variations. Yeah, so I mean, it has made some okay stuff. Look, how to become a successful YouTuber by 2022, the ultimate guide. It's no secret that becoming a successful YouTuber in 2022 requires hard work and dedication. The industry is growing rapidly with more people than ever before creating videos. Okay, there are certain steps. Create content, establish online presence. So this is pretty good, but it's very, very short. This looks like the first variation. This looks like the second variation, which is a little bit longer, but not much. How to become a successful YouTuber. The world of social media has changed drastically over the past decade, and YouTube is one of the biggest players with its billions of monthly users. Yeah, that's pretty good. Choose your niche. Create quality content. See, this is actually very good because the other one, it didn't really say anything about choosing a niche. Decide your niche will be and what type of content you'll create. So that's fair enough. That's one thing that it has over the other one. Create quality content, grow your audience, collaborate with other channels. So it's pretty much the same almost as the content on the other platform, right? On the ContentBot. But that one has been more expanded. This, you'd have to spend a little bit more time expanding yourself. How to become a successful YouTuber. YouTube has come on, yeah. In this blog post, yeah, step 1, create valuable content, optimize your SEO efforts, build relationships. So again, it has actually given me a lot of options, but each option is not very long. This looks like the longest one to me. What do you think? Okay. Just let me quickly see, for fairness. So 524 words. Okay, so one example of a variation that looks like the longest one, pretty much, was 524. So it's not bad, but it's ways off the 2,000 words. Excuse me. I'm so excited about this video. I'm having a coughing fit. I'll start again. So, yeah, 2,000 words in one article. It's not variations. The content's pretty good. Not perfect, pretty good. So again, I would say that ContentBot is by far the winner. So again, if you're interested in ContentBot, I will leave my affiliate link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.